Right. So, like, how was your Holi celebration?
We didn't really celebrate Holi this year.
Why is that?
Okay, so the main reason is that my grandfather actually passed away, so for
Mm.
that we did not celebrate Holi.
Sorry about that. So that's the reason.
Hmm.
So how is this place, Thamtiri? Like, where are you exactly right now?
So actually, I'm at my home right now. It's in the city of Dhamtiri, and it's
Mhm.
really good here. Actually, we just came here a few days ago, and we were actually staying at the rest house because there
West.
was some work going on in our house. So we were staying at the rest house, and today we came to the house, and it's just nice to be back home.
Okay, okay, that's nice. How's the weather like? How's the temperature?
It's good. I think it's all right. Outside it is really hot. It's very risky to go out because then
Mhm.
you'll have sunburns.
Mhm.
But inside the house, it's all right. You can
All
live
right.
nicely with the fan. It's okay. Not too hot, not too cold.
Okay, well, it's manageable, right?
Yeah,
Because I remember the last time we had a session that was last year around July or something. Is it
I think it was June.
June? Okay, and that was like peak summers that time.
Yeah.
So tell me, what have you been doing like so far from that particular session?
Hmm.
Apart from the
Okay,
schooling
so
part of things. Yeah. Mm.
yeah. Okay, so I had been learning how to play the piano, and I have learned a lot during this period of time. I tried to focus on it because earlier I wasn't really paying any attention to what I was learning. But
Mm.
now I'm trying to learn more and more about how to play and the theories of the piano and everything. So yeah, that is what I have been doing, and I've also been learning a few languages.
Oh, that's wonderful. Which one?
Spanish. Actually, I used to learn Spanish, but then I stopped, and now I've started again to learn Spanish.
Oh, that's wonderful. So what motivated you to, learn Spanish?
I was really bored. I did not have anything to do, so yeah, I just opened Duolingo and I
Oh,
just
yeah.
downloaded it, and that's how
It's
it
a
started.
wonderful, wonderful app. So I was asking you, like, I think I've used Duolingo once in my life a couple of years ago. And
Hmm.
I think it's pretty user friendly. What do you think? Like,
Yeah, it's
easy
good. It's
to.
really nice.
Okay. So what level are you in right now in the application?
I think I'm in the Obsidian League.
Obsidian League. Okay, that's nice. So you would know the basic words in Spanish. How do you say thank
Yeah,
you?
like
I
basic.
think thank you is the most common.
Yeah, gracias.
Gracias, gracias. And how do you say hello?
Hola.
Hola. Friend is like amigo.
Hmm.
Adios amigos is like bye bye, friend,
Yeah.
something. So actually, I watched one of the Netflix web series. It's about a drug cartel, Narcos, if you've heard about it. So
Oh.
there they speak Spanish throughout the process, like mostly, and there used
Hmm.
to be subtitles just beneath the, in the video
Yeah.
itself. So that's how I
Hmm.
learned all these words. Okay,
Hmm.
so you can understand the basics. So apart from Duolingo, are you also watching any video regarding it? Maybe trying to learn some like letters or something, alphabets.
Not for Spanish, but for another language, I'm learning it through YouTube. That is
Mhm.
Korean. I'm trying to
Mhm.
watch some YouTube videos and learn it.
You're learning Korean language these days.
Yeah.
So are you learning it just for like a hobby or like something professional also, maybe in the future perspective also? Like how is it happening?
Not really, just for a hobby.
Just for hobby. And I think it's pretty good to learn a new language also, right? Apart from
Yeah.
Hindi, English is like global, definitely, but learning a third language, it's good for your brain, like overall functioning of your brain. So
Yeah.
are you facing
Hmm.
any challenges while reading, like while learning Spanish?
Sometimes, because sometimes it gets really confusing with the
Mm-hmm.
pronunciation. So yeah, that is a very big issue.
Mm-hmm. So why did you pick Spanish? Did you do
Okay,
any
so
research?
the letters were very similar to English, so I thought I would learn it more easier, like in an easier way. So
Hmm.
that's why I started it.
Okay, that's why Spanish is the one.
Hmm.
Okay. So you've been learning a language. What else? How's your school going on?
My school is going on great. Actually, my exams just ended, and now we have this vacation for a few
Mm.
weeks till the results come out, the final
Mm.
exam results. And
Mm.
then after that, our new session begins for class 9th.
Oh, that's wonderful. Now you'll be in ninth standard. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Where did you spend your winter vacations this year?
Winter vacations. I can't remember. I think I spent it at Bhilai in my home.
In Bhilai itself. Like, how was the weather
Yeah.
that
In winter or right now?
during that time? Winters.
I think it was pretty cold. We had to wear many layers of jackets and sweaters. It
Mhm.
was pretty cold.
Yeah, I mean, like the last time I had a conversation with you, I think you were suffering from COVID that time, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So how long did it take you to recover from that?
I think 1 week. 1 week.
1 week. You were fine.
Hmm.
Okay, so now, like, are you okay? Like, do you face any challenges now? Anything? I think it was a
No.
mild fever, right? Mild COVID.
Yeah, yeah.
So speaking of the situation right now, how's the situation in Chhattisgarh? Like, do people really wear masks in public spaces, or are
No.
they like complacent again? Like, what is it?
No, there is nothing. They don't wear masks. They don't have social distancing. It's just
Mhm.
people think that COVID is over and they do not
Yeah,
follow any rules or precautions.
absolutely. So, like, technically, it's not over. I think it has just learned to live with us, maybe,
Hmm.
because
Yeah.
a virus doesn't come or doesn't go away like it's on a vacation or something. But yes, it is around us. But I think it's our responsibility to be more mindful about it. But
Yeah.
not just Chhattisgarh. Like, I would not say not only in Chhattisgarh, but like almost I think 90% part of our country, like no one wears mask now, and even the
Hmm.
government has they have said that it's okay. Like, you can, if you want, you can wear. Otherwise, there is no compulsion. Like, you won't be penalized for it,
Hmm.
right? Okay, now coming back to your content creation, like I think we've not been posting anything since that day, right? Have you?
I think, yeah, I am posting Clapingo sessions.
Yes, I think it
Yeah,
was.
I
It
have.
was Hmm.
I have been posting some videos of Clapingo and also some like English content related something.
Mhm. Mhm. Okay, you're posting some. Okay, I didn't check it. I think that didn't show up in my feed, maybe.
Oh.
Yeah, that's good. Okay. So today, like, did you go to school today? Monday.
No, it's like a vacation for a few weeks.
For a few weeks.
Yeah.
What's that? Like a vacation in March?
We completed our exams and now till the results come out we have this break sort of thing.
Oh, okay, okay.
Oh,
All right.
all
So,
right. So
have you read any book
have you read
lately?
any? Yeah, I started reading the series of Secret Seven by Enid Blyton.
Secret Seven. What is it about?
It's just a group of 7 children who go on some mysteries. They solve mysteries like detectives, and it's just a 15-book series of the 7 children, and there are just cases that they solve, and that's it.
Hmm. So there are several children who work as a detective kind of thing, like the solving
Yeah,
cases. You're saying. I
yeah,
hope it's fiction, right?
yes, yes.
It is fiction, definitely. So who's the author for this particular book?
Enid Blyton.
Never heard of it. Last time you told me about one of the writers. I think I have forgotten the name, but there was a mouse in that particular story, maybe.
Yeah, yeah.
What was that?
Journey Stilton. Yeah, Journey
Journeyman,
Stilton.
Journeyman, yeah. I still remember that. Yeah, that was pretty good actually. Okay, so what else? Like, what are your plans for the vacation? Like the crisp vacation you have?
I was thinking of maybe improving my handwriting this time because I have a very bad handwriting. It's very messy, and I was thinking of improving it.
So, what's your plan of action to improve it? any cursive writing book? Do you have any cursive writing book, or would
Yeah,
you say only
I
like
have
ones?
many. I have many cursive writing books from the past years because
Mhm.
all these past years I have tried to learn. I have tried to improve my handwriting, but I just stopped it. So those books are just stored in a corner, and now I'll just bring them back and start practicing again.
Okay. So handwriting, definitely, I think. So, okay, are you do you write with pens, right? Like basic pen.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
how long, till what standard you wrote with the pencil actually?
Till fourth grade.
In fourth grade, okay. So what do you think? Which one is better, easier, more convenient, pen or pencil?
Earlier, like 1 year ago, I would say a pencil is better. But now I
Hmm.
think a pen would be better because I don't know why, but like whenever I write with a pencil now, the lead or the nib just breaks.
Definitely. Maybe you have a habit of holding it like little, you know, you have a
Yeah,
strong
yeah,
grip now with the pen. That
mhm.
could be the reason. And I think it looks gorgeous. Like when you write with pen, it looks more, gorgeous
Yeah,
actually.
yeah,
So when you have this cursive writing, like I think there must be some dots. You have to follow the dots and
mm,
make a particular,
yeah,
letter or something. So you want to
yes,
improve your handwriting.
yeah.
Hmm, definitely. Have you seen any doctor's handwriting?
Yeah, I have seen that, and it's just illegible. You can't read it at all. It's just so difficult to read.
What do you think? Why? Like, I don't know if it's a myth, but it is a myth. Like, every doctor has the same handwriting. But, the other day I met, I saw a doctor and he wrote in such a beautiful manner, quite
Hmm.
precisely. Like, I was like pretty astonished. And he's like one of the, for the first doctor I saw, he wrote in a very beautiful manner. Like I was
Hmm.
able to read it, the medicine guy was able to read it. And I don't know how do they understand what the doctor has written. Like they can just look
Yeah.
at it and give you the medicine, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Some doctors have decent handwriting, and I think some doctors just make an ECG graph kind of thing, like they just roll the pen,
Yeah.
on the paper.
Yeah.
How would you rate your handwriting on a scale of 1 to 5 currently?
Three, a three.
It's not bad. So you want to like further improve it. You want it to be
Yes.
like more like a little decorative, little, symmetrical kind of thing.
Yeah, symmetrical, yes.
Symmetrical, basically. Okay, nice. Okay. Do you really enjoy writing?
Yes, very much.
Hmm. No, apart from your homework, like basically when you have to write down something in your notebook, do you also write some things like which are there, like for example, let's say poetry, journal, maybe some thought, some story which you have created on your own?
Okay, I love to write poems. My parents say that I have really nice creative skills for writing poems. I love to write that, but I'm not really fond of writing journals or like diary entries.
Mm-hmm. Poems, okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
So if I talk about poems, have you written something on your own which you would like to share, maybe?
Okay, so I have made quite a few poems, and
Mhm.
like I have written poems about snakes and meadows, and something. It was something about the night or the moon or something like that.
Pretty good.
Hmm, Thank you.
Okay. Snake and the meadows. So, how do you really start basically? Like, do you visualize things in your mind? Do you find a letter which you like a word which you can rhyme with the another word? How does it work for you?
Okay, so first I just try to get some thoughts related to the topic. So I just try to find the qualities of a snake and how it moves and everything. Then I just try to frame a sentence. And at the end, I just try to form it in such a way that it rhymes with the next
Ah,
sentence. So that is how I usually go with the poem.
and I think that the rhyming is the part, where you would find the most challenges because if it doesn't
Yeah.
rhyme, it looks like a story kind of thing. But if you want
Hmm.
to make it a poem, you have to rhyme the words.
Yeah.
Definitely.